Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rosida Safatur Rahma, and I'm going to present our paper with the title Enhancing the Digital Competence of Chemistry Teachers Through Fabrication Laboratory Workshops for Molecular Shape Kit Creation. Introduction. The digital competence is one of the competencies that teachers need to master into this digital era. But in Indonesia, teacher digital competence is still relatively low. This impacts teachers' ability to provide learning media such as a molecular shape. A molecular shape is one of the abstract chemistry concepts which students find it difficult to understand. This workshop aimed to improve teachers' skills using a 3D printer to develop a molecular shape kit. The Fabrication Laboratory or Fab Lab. Maybe some of you already heard about it. Fab labs or digital fabrication laboratories are places for play, learn, creativity, and innovations. They provide access to advanced environments, skills, materials, and technologies that enable anyone to create anything. Fab Lab UP, which established in 2023, was later named Fab Lab Education or Fab Lab Edu, has devices for design and modeling, such as 3D scanners and 3D printers, prototyping and fabrication devices, such as CNC lasers and various other supporting devices. This is our Fab Lab Edu. In the first picture, we can see the 3D printer for a filament, and this is a CNC laser cutter, and this is a 3D printer for resin, and this is a bamboo lab, and this is a UV DTF. A method. Fab Lab workshop for molecular shape kit creation was conducted on May 27 till 28, 2025 at Fab Lab Edu, Building C, Faculty of Mathematics and Science Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. The Fab Lab workshop participants were 15 chemistry teachers from Bandung City and Cimahi, West Java, and the activity was evaluated by administering questionnaires before and after the workshop. Results and discussions. This workshop divided into two sessions. The first session's explanation of molecular shape was held online via Zoom on May 27, 2025. This study aimed to deepen teachers' knowledge of molecular shape. Teachers were also informed about the misconceptions students experience regarding molecular shapes. And the second session is making a molecular shape kit using a 3D printer was held offline at Fab Lab Edu, FPMIPA Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. The opening workshop by Professor Wonkoli as the director of the topic program, and then teacher was invited to tour the Fab Lab. They were explained about the equipments at the Fab Lab. And after that, teacher taught how to design 3D with a Tinkercad. After design 3D with a Tinkercad, teachers explained about 3D printer. So we introduced the 3D printer, and they learned about how to print with the 3D printer. And after that, they print their 3D design with the 3D printer and make the product octahedral molecular shape. This is the product the teachers design and teacher print by using a 3D printer. And the teacher's digital competence was measured using a pre and post questionnaire. The questionnaires contain 20 questions about chemical bonds, molecular shapes, and the 3D printing. Teachers were asked to select the most appropriate answer. 4 indicates strongly agree, 3 indicates agree, and 2 indicates somewhat disagree, and 1 indicates disagree. This is the table 1 pre and post questionnaire results. From the table 1, we know that before participating in the workshops, most teachers had never made a molecular shape learning kit and were unfamiliar with the 3D printing technology. After the workshop, most teachers had made molecular shape learning kits as evidenced by their average final questionnaire score of 3.23. Teachers also gained a good understanding of 3D printing after the workshop, with an average final score of 3.31. Teachers' 3D design skills also improved from an initial average of 1.9, considered poor, to 3.15, considered good. These results indicate that the Fab Lab workshop on the molecular shape kits can improve teachers' digital competence. It is consistent with previous workshops that have also improved students' digital skills. Conclusion. The Fab Lab workshop on the molecular shape kits creations can enhance teachers' digital competence through hands-on experience with the 3D design and the 3D printing. Fab Labs have significant potential to support the learning process and accelerate the transformation of creative ideas into prototypes. This is our documentation from the workshop and the acknowledgement. Thank you to the community service funding provided by LPPM, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, as well as the leading university project for international cooperation, DUPIC, through the National Research Foundation of Korea, NRF, funded by the Korean Ministry of Education and Sogang University, which has supported the implementation of the OP Fab Lab Edu workshop. If you have any question about this workshop, you can ask me at arsirohma@up.edu, and if you're interested about the Lupik program, you can visit their website at www.lupik.org. And if you want to know more about our FabLab Edu, you can visit our Instagram at fablab_edu. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.